Lesson 2. Input and output devices. Computer works on the basis of the principle of input, process and output. Input is to enter data into the computer and output means result carried out by the processing system. Input devices. The data are entered into the computer with few devices. They are known as input device. These devices are keyboard, mouse, touch screen, joystick, trackball, scanner, light pen, OCR, OMR, MICR, and microphone. Now, we will read the input devices in detail. Keyboard. The most commonly used input device is the keyboard. Generally, it has 104 keys. A keyboard contains the following keys: alphabet keys, function keys, number keys, symbol keys, punctuation keys, cursor control keys, as well as special character keys. The keys with their functions in the keyboard are described below in tabular form. Key and their function. Caps lock key. It is used to write letters in capital letter. Enter key. It is used to execute an instruction. Shift key. To write upper symbols on the keys when caps lock is off, simultaneously pressed with other keys to write in capital letters. Del key. It erases the character to its right. Backspace key. It erases the character to its left. INS. It is used to insert the character at the current cursor position. Escape. To cancel a command. Space bar. It is used to move cursor one step. Control Alt. They are used with other keys. F1 to F12 function keys. They are used to perform special function that depends on the software being used. Numlock. It is used to activate the numeric keys on the numeric keypad. End. It is used to move the cursor to the end of the page. Home. It is used to move the cursor to the start of the page. Page up. It is used to move one page up. Page down. It is used to move one page down. Tab. It is used to enter multiple spaces between two words in a document. Print screen. It is used to print whatever is displayed on the screen. Arrow keys. They are used to move the cursor in some directions: top, down, left, and right in a document. If you press a particular key on the keyboard, you will find the some character on monitor screen. There are various types of keyboards. Mouse, a pointing device which is used to give input to the system, is called mouse. We move mouse on a mouse pad. A mouse consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. We can move the mouse pointer in the same direction as the mouse. There are different kinds of mouse available in the market. There is a magnetic ball under the computer mouse which rolls as the mouse moves on the mouse pad. Nowadays, optical mouse is more commonly used. In order to track the movement of mouse, the optical mouse uses red light and the laser mouse uses laser light. Optical mouse and laser mouse are more accurate and reliable than traditional mouse. Trackball. A mouse which is upside down is known as trackball. In this mouse, the ball that regulates the cursor movement is placed on top. It can be rotated by hand. Like a mechanical mouse, it also has two buttons and serves the same function. Joystick. A kind of pointing device is joystick. We can move the joystick in any direction in order to make the pointer on the screen move in the same way. We use it mainly to play computer games. A joystick moves the cursor speedily on the screen. Nowadays, joysticks are used in designing programs also. Touch screen. Touch screen assists us entering input by simply touching the screen. Here, the input is recorded when a finger or stylus comes in contact with the screen. This finger or stylus acts as the pointing device. Generally, we use touch screens in ATMs. Light pen. Light pen is a kind of pointing device also. We use it to choose our desired option among the different displayed options. When the tip of the pen is moved on the surface of the screen, it detects the light emerging from the screen as well as responds to the signal. We use light pen to draw pictures also. Scanner, an input device which changes the text and images on paper into computer understandable pictures and text, is known as scanner. You can use these pictures and text in a computer program. In order to differentiate between text and pictures as well as place them in a program accordingly, we can use special softwares which are available in the market. Scanners are of two kinds. Number 1, flatbed scanner. Number 2, handheld scanner. Barcode reader. The reader which reads the barcode is known as barcode reader. A sequence where there are black lines of different thicknesses on white background is known as barcode. For any product, barcode represents a unique code. The function of a barcode is to keep track of large quantity of items. Barcode reader is used in supermarkets, libraries, etc. Optical character reader (OCR). We use optical character reader to input printed or written hand documents into a computer system. Optical mark reader (OMR). In order to detect the marks in an examination, we use optical mark reader. The examination comprises multiple choice questions (MCQs) where answers should be marked with a soft and dark pencil. Magnetic ink character reader (MICR). The function of a magnetic ink character reader is to read special characters on bank checks, which are written at the bottom of checks or demand drafts with a special magnetic ink. These represent check number, branch number, as well as customer account number. The numbers are somewhat different in shape. Since the characters are designed, it can be read by the MICR reader. A bank's check clearing department uses MICR to keep a check on frauds. Microphone. A microphone is considered an input device. It is used to record a sound into a computer system. Output devices. The devices which help to display the result are known as output devices. For example, monitor, printer, plotter, and speaker. Monitor. The most commonly used output device is monitor. Its other name is Visual Display Unit (VDU). Monitor resembles TV screen. Both text as well as graphics can be displayed here. There are different sizes of a monitor such as 14-inch, 15-inch or 17-inch. Two main types of monitors are: number 1, CRT, cathode ray tube monitor. Number 2, LCD, liquid crystal display flat panel monitor. Printer. A printer is used to keep a permanent record on paper. When an output is taken on paper, it serves as a medium. Given below are different kinds of printer. Number 1, dot matrix printer. Number 2, inkjet printer. Number 3, laser printer. Plotter. In order to print designs of high quality graphics in various colors. Two types of plotter are used. These are: number 1, drum plotter. Number 2, flat bed plotter. Speaker: an output device which is used to hear the sound from the computer system is known as speaker. Points for review. We use input devices to enter data into a computer. Examples of input devices are scanner, optical mark reader, optical character reader, barcode reader, keyboard, touch screen, mouse, joystick, etc. We use output devices to get results from a computer. Examples of output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, speaker.
Yes.